Hematoma. A swollen area caused by blood collecting under the skin after an injury. He developed a hematoma after falling from his bicycle. The doctor checked the hematoma to make sure it would heal properly. Malingering. Pretending to be sick or injured to avoid work or duty. The manager suspected malingering. He was accused of malingering to miss work. Exhumation. Digging up a buried body from the ground. The court ordered an exhumation. The exhumation helped investigators find answers. Martyrdom. Suffering greatly or dying because of a strong belief, cause, or principle. He became a symbol of martyrdom for his people. The story tells of her martyrdom and sacrifice. Mutilate. To badly damage or injure a body part. The accident mutilated his hand. The animal was badly mutilated. Pain. A sudden feeling of sadness, guilt, or pain. She felt a pang of guilt after telling a lie. A pang of sadness came over him when he remembered the past. Persecute. To treat someone unfairly or cruelly for a long time. Many people were persecuted for their beliefs. He felt persecuted by his enemies. Pique. To make someone interested or curious. The story piqued my interest, so I kept reading. Her question piqued his curiosity. Scourge. Something that causes a lot of suffering or problems. Disease was a scourge of the region. Corruption remains a scourge in many places. Contusion. A bruise on the body caused by a hit or injury. He got a contusion on his leg after he fell down. The doctor checked the contusion to see how bad it was. Despair. A feeling of having no hope. He fell into despair after the loss. She looked at the situation with despair. Dishearten. To make someone lose hope or confidence. The failure disheartened him. Don't let setbacks dishearten you. Gall. Rude confidence or bold behavior. He had the gall to blame others for his mistake. I couldn't believe her Gall when she spoke so rudely. Evisceration. The removal of internal organs from a body. The report mentioned evisceration. Investigators examined signs of evisceration. Conciliatory. Trying to make peace or end a disagreement. She took a conciliatory tone during the argument. His conciliatory words helped calm everyone. Esoteric. Hard for most people to understand. The book discussed esoteric topics. His lecture was too esoteric for beginners. Chastise. To criticize or punish someone for doing something wrong. The coach chastised the players. She was chastised for being late. Vociferous. Very loud and expressing opinions strongly. The crowd was vociferous during the match. She was vociferous about her opinions. Plausible. Seems reasonable or likely to be true. His explanation sounded plausible. That seems like a plausible reason. Aspiration. A strong dream or goal for the future. Becoming a doctor was her aspiration. He worked hard to achieve his aspirations. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.